Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a little very tiny haul from Amazon. So I have a project in mind that I wanted to do a tutorial on, and I needed some of these little lollipop sticks. And honestly, I should have just went back to Hobby Lobby, but I knew that it was Sunday and that they wouldn't be open, and I really want to get this project done, but I don't even know if I'm gonna post that project today like I was. But this is a huge pack. I think it's 100 or something. I'll link it down below, of lollipop sticks in case you guys are interested. I will have these linked in my video. If I do end up doing a tutorial, I'll link it down below. I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this video. And then I also grabbed these iron-on patches. It is a pack of 72. Guys, I've got so many like DIYs in mind. And so I grabbed this. I got so many projects in mind. All these bows, guys, these are iron-on, I believe. And again, it was a set of, I think 72 it was. You get all these different ones. Look at that bow. Cute little cherries. Look at this one. Ooh, very fancy. This one's got some white polka dots details. These are pink and white. There's a ton in here, you guys. So I have these listed if you guys are interested. I have them linked. If you don't see them, just leave me a message to remind me, guys. I just have so much stuff going on. Sometimes I forget to link certain things. And then this one, we have this longer tail one, a brighter pink with polka dots. There's so many in here, you guys. So yeah, I won't bore you with each and every one, but as you can see, there's a ton. Look at this one's got this white detail around the heart. This one's got a scallop. Ooh, that one's so pretty. So there's a ton of different ones. You don't just get like 50 of the same one. Look at those. Those are pretty. So I'll leave a link, and then I'm pretty sure you can scroll over on the link and you can see what each design, like all the designs that it comes with. But these are beautiful, guys. They look like really good quality. And I cannot wait to use them. This one's really pretty too. Oh, I love that one. And then I also picked up a pair of earrings for Ava. Little Miss Ava has been losing her earrings and costing me a lot of money. So I said, baby, I'm gonna get you those screw back earrings. And these were so cute. They were so inexpensive. Ava loves bows like her mommy. And I believe these are like, you know, where you like, if you are allergic to whatever, you won't like break out. I don't remember what it's called, guys. But look at, they're the cutest little bow earrings. So I grabbed those for Ava. I have quite a few in my cart that I want to get her, because she does lose her earrings a lot. But yeah, that's it for this haul, guys. Super teeny tiny haul. I just wanted to share with you all in case you're interested in grabbing of these things. Stay tuned for some videos coming up with these patches and these lollipop sticks. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.